Welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh. Today I want to do a quick first-person walkthrough of a 2020 Harris Solstice 230. This model we ordered without the tower, so you have just the double bimini setup. That's in case you have height restrictions in your slip or your boathouse. The same way with the length, being a 23-foot boat, it fits in a lot of places. Some of the longer boats don't fit in. This has Harris's all-new furniture layout with tons of cup holders in the inserts here. Also has USB charging ports in all those locations next to the speakers. Fold-down armrests, cup holders in the armrests. All these things to make it more comfortable on the lake, give you plenty of place to put your beverages. This boat has tons of storage underneath all the seating. I'll show you how some of that storage unfolds here. Harris uses double hinges so that the seats stay attached, so you're not fighting with the cushions. Makes it real easy. Access your storage, all the different spaces. Speaking of the stereo, we have the lighted speaker grills with this JL audio system. This is the Desert Camel style interior. You can see the new layout has a dark color insert with the quilted material. It's gorgeous. It also uses the Cool Tech fabric, which is got a little grain to it, a little texture. Makes it so it doesn't stick to you in the heat of the summer. Keeps you nice and comfortable, lets the fabric breathe better. Here at the helm, we ordered this model first of all with the raised helm, so you get a good commanding view as you're driving. You can see over people in front of you. We added a 9-inch Simrad to the dash, so your gauges, your GPS features, your fish finder, depth finder is all in the 9-inch Simrad. You do have some standard analog gauges next to them as well. Your speedometer and your tachometer. Down here's your JL head unit. Control your stereo from the helm here. This model has the DTS, Mercury's digital throttle system, digital throttle and shift. That gives you docking mode and also active trim from Mercury, so that the active trim system handles your trim features, functions of your motor. Really cool new this year is a cell phone charger, wireless. Just place it right there next to the helm, boom, charging up. And that's the captain's chair, very comfortable look, very comfortable helm chair. Back here, after the captain's chair, we have the SL layout. So this has got the flip-flop lounge. It's their new 6-position lounge this year. So it'll flip forward, it'll flip all the way forward and lay flat. You can cant up the back of the seat so you can lounge facing forward. It also has a new built-in cooler right here next to the lounge area with, again, more lighted cup holders. Access to some charging ports, 12-volt and USBs, and also a stereo control right there, transom mounted. Also a transom mounted stereo control right there on the down low, so you can swim up and adjust it. You've got speakers on the back again. The other thing that they changed this year to this Solstice lineup is the big rear deck. So they extended the rear deck platform on both sides of the engine out. Gives you tons of space to walk around. They also moved the furniture forward a little more, so you ended up with almost 2 feet extra space on this boat in the back. This is the Harris's swim step that drops down into the water, so you can swim up, sit down, and climb in and out of the water real easily that way. We ordered this model with the 225 Mercury. Here's your stainless deep reach swim ladder, get up out of the water. And of course, big stainless ski tow bar on the back for your tow storage. So that's a quick walk through this beautiful 2020 Harris Solstice 230. Come by and see us here at MarineMax Dallas, or you can always catch us at MarineMax.com. Thank you. Have a great day.